Hello everyone, I am Daniela Rangel. I live in Bogota, Colombia. I am studying children pedagogy. About my position on the effect of technology on the environment, well, the technology has brought great progress and positive change to humanity. For example, power generation of thermal source, water source, solar sources, economic growth has allowed human big to improve and make their work easier. For this is the main reason the arrival of technology in human life has been positive, but it is also true that the big industry, an advance of technology may have been negative consequence. Um, Negative consequence in the environment. For example, ecosystem imbalance, temperature increase, extinction of plants and animals, health effect. How to mitigate the environment damage? I consider balance must be found between the environment and technologies. Um, this balance can achieve using renewable energy, reducing deforestation. I also think that uh, we can contribute to the improved environment crisis. First, big aware of the problem that treat an environment, and second, taking measure to improve said problems. Some of the ways in which we can contribute to solving environmental problems and stopping climate change is to start by implementing small camping on the in homes and schools, reduction and care of water consumption, energy saving, recycling. It is essential to reduce waste and leave filling of trees. Implementing care and respect for nature are alternative to improve our environment. Uh, this is a small action can benefit the environment and help reduce the effect of environmental crisis. Thank you so much.